Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to enable FPS counter with NVIDIA GeForce Experience and how you can check your FPS on your screen. Alright, first of all what we want to do is we go to GeForce Experience, click here on GeForce Experience, and then right now we go to settings, and then from here you can see that we have in-game overlay and we can use this by pressing Alt and Z. So if we close this into Alt and Z, you see that he will send us to this screen. Now we go to performance, and right now if I click here on this wheel right here, you see here a section where you can do many things. Here at performance we can select right in the top the FPS if you want to, just a basic screen here, right? Or we want it advanced, or we can get it latency. But for now, we just do the basic thing, or let's see, advanced is also funny. And then right now we do back, and we close this. And right now we have it just right here. But if you can see, the FPS and the 99% FPS and the render latency are on NA. So what you need to do now is start up your game, or start up the game that you want to see your FPS in, and then you will see your FPS. But if this is still happening when you are running your game, then you need to go to search and open the NVIDIA control panel. Then go to Manage Today Settings, Program Settings, and then right here search for the game that you want to add. Now I don't have games on my PC, but select the game that you want to add. Add this, then click on Add, and then right now click on Browse, and then from now search the exe file, then click on Open it, then click on Add Selected Program. And then right now you add it to these settings, click this away, restart your game, and then the FPS will work. Hopefully this tutorial helps you out. For now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.